Space quiz for kids. Number 1. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Your time starts now. Answer is Neil Armstrong. Number 2. What planet is closest to the sun? Your time starts now. Answer is Mercury. Number 3. What is Earth's only natural satellite? Your time starts now. Answer is Moon. Number 4. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Your time starts now. Answer is Venus. Number 5. Which is the red planet in our solar system? Your time starts now. Answer is Mars. Thanks. Please subscribe to our channel.